Hey guys, this is Robert, and here's the package. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Alright, so it's just this brush here. Not sure. Maybe with it. Supposed to be able to fill it up with some soap and then dispense soap. No instructions. I guess you just fill it up here. And when you want some, just push it here, it comes out this hole here, and then you scrub your bottle. It's also removable if you need to clean it, I guess. Right, so if you're interested in this brush, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.